Tobias is back in the hot seat today. Thor, take it from here.
Appreciate it, Erica. The deep understanding survives edge cases. The shallow one does not. We are going for deep. Most honorably discharged veterans are still paying full civilian prices for goods. They have had a right to purchase at military exchange pricing since 2020. The law changed, the benefit was extended, and most veterans never heard about it. Tobias here, and today we are breaking down exactly who gets access to what.
Erica here. Last episode, we covered the America the Beautiful Access Pass for service-connected veterans. Today, we go into the Commissary and exchange system, where the eligibility rules changed significantly in 2017 and 2020. The first category is the broadest, online exchange access for all honorably discharged veterans.
Ada here. The military exchange is not just a military clothing store. It carries electronics, appliances, name-brand clothing, groceries, sporting goods, and household items, often at prices 10 to 30% below civilian retail, and in most states, purchases are tax-free.
Arjun here. Depending on your branch, the online store is Shop My Exchange for Army and Air Force, MCX Online for Marines, Nexcom for Navy, or CGX for Coast Guard. All of them are accessible to any honorably discharged veteran who creates an account and verifies their service through DS Logon or va.gov credentials.
Bella here. The most common reason veterans still do not use this benefit is simple. Nobody told them the law changed. Tobias, a veteran who separated in 2010, has had this benefit since 2020 and may have no idea. Account setup takes minutes and requires only a DS Logon or ID.me verification.
Fresh faces in the mix today. Quick intros in order.
Professor Erica here. I will be keeping an eye on things from this side and chiming in when it helps.
Ada here. Understanding improves when you know what it displaced.
Arjun here. I aim for moral clarity without moral theater.
Bella here. If a concept is cold, I will warm it up with a story.
Introductions landed. Now the lesson.
Imagine a veteran with a 10% service-connected knee rating who lives 20 minutes from Fort Campbell and has been doing all their grocery shopping at full civilian prices for 6 years. In 2017, Congress extended in-person commissary access to every service-connected veteran, and that veteran qualified on day one.
The Commissary is a full-size grocery store on a military installation, stocking the same brands you would find at a civilian supermarket. Ada, the average savings versus civilian grocery prices runs 23 to 25%, with some items discounted more than 30%. Over a year of regular shopping, that difference compounds.
The in-person exchange access works the same way as online, except you can browse in a physical store on base. Tax-free pricing applies in most states, and the selection mirrors what active duty members shop. For high-cost items like electronics or appliances, the tax savings alone can be substantial.
To access these facilities in person, you need a valid ID that shows service-connected status, or the VA, disability ID card issued by the VA, or the Veteran Health Identification Card used for VA. Medical appointments both work. The gate guard will verify your ID and admit you.
Arjun, the misconception that stops most service-connected veterans from using this benefit is the assumption that you need a high rating. The statute does not specify a minimum rating percentage. A veteran with a 0% service-connected disability rating has the same in-person commissary and exchange access as a veteran rated 80%.
Veterans rated 100% permanent and total have a category of access that goes beyond what service-connected veterans in other rating tiers receive. Under 10 U.S.C. 1761, these veterans have full commissary, exchange, and MWR privileges, the same access as active duty service members and military retirees.
Full privileges means unrestricted access, not visit. Limited or online only. ADA, that includes shopping at the commissary as often as you like, using the on-base exchange the same way a retiree would, and accessing morale, welfare, and recreation facilities, which most veterans do not know about at all.
For 100% P&T veterans, dependents get their own access. A spouse and dependent children enrolled in DEERS receive military ID cards and can use commissary and exchange facilities independently, which is a significant benefit when a spouse does most of the household shopping.
CHAPLI, MWR stands for Morale, Welfare, and Recreation. On most installations, this includes fitness centers, swimming pools, bowling alleys, golf courses, and recreation equipment rentals. For a veteran who lives near a military installation and has a 100% P&T rating, these facilities are essentially free or deeply discounted.
To get Dependent Intrusion Detection System, the veteran enrolls family members in DEERS, the Defense Enrollment Eligibility Reporting System, by visiting any real ID card facility at a military installation. Bring the marriage certificate or birth certificates, the veteran's discharge documentation, and VA award letter. The intrusion detection system are issued the same day.
For veterans who do not live near a military installation, there is a separate alternative, the Veterans Canteen Service. VCS operates retail and food service facilities inside VA medical centers and is available to any veteran receiving VA care, with no disability rating requirement beyond being a VA patient.
The Veterans Canteen Service carries food, snacks, personal care items, clothing, and small electronics at competitive pricing inside the VA Medical Center. Erica, it is not the same scale as a commissary, but for veterans who already visit the VA regularly, it is a convenience benefit most skip past entirely.
Bella, to put the commissary savings in concrete terms, if a household spends $80 a week on groceries, 25% savings is $20 a week, which is over $1,000 a year. For a service-connected veteran who lives within driving distance of an installation, that is a real and recurring annual benefit.
The tool for finding the nearest military installation is installations.military.onesource.mil. You can search by state or zip code and see which facilities are closest, what services are available, and whether commissary or exchange access applies. Drop in the comments which installation is closest to you.
If you forget everything else from this episode, remember this. Every honorably discharged veteran has had online exchange access since 2020. Every service-connected veteran has in-person commissary access. And every 100% P&T veteran has full privileges for their whole family. Verify your ID, find your nearest installation, and use what you earned.
Okay, it is quiz time. Let's find out what stuck. T. Think through each question carefully before you answer.
The single best thing you can do for this channel is hit like and subscribe. It costs nothing. It helps everything.
Since 2020, which veterans have online military exchange shopping access? The correct answer is A. All honorably discharged veterans, regardless of disability rating or length of service.
What is the minimum service connected disability rating required for in-person commissary and exchange access? The correct answer is D. There is no minimum rating. Any service-connected disability, including 0%, qualifies.
Which veterans can extend commissary and exchange access to their dependents? 2. The correct answer is B. Veterans rated 100% permanent and total can enroll dependents through DEERS.
Today we covered 3 tiers of commissary and exchange access: online shopping for all honorably discharged veterans, in-person commissary for service-connected veterans at any rating, and full privileges with dependent access for 100% P&T veterans.
3 years from now, you will look back on setting up your exchange account or showing your VA disability ID at the commissary gate as one of the simplest financial decisions you made.
Next episode, the one travel benefit that 100% P&T veterans almost never use, and it can move you to virtually any military base in the world for free. TAPL. Wait until you see how far this one goes.
Subscribe to the VA Benefits series and share this one with any veteran who is still paying full price for things they earned the right to buy at a discount.
Word and Fischala.
First principles beat the crowd, every time.
Straight up, Tobias. That was one of the cleaner episodes of the season, 9.5. Professor Erica, signing off.